In another update, the Karnataka High Court has asked the state government to justify its decision to suspend police officers, including senior IPS officer Vikas Kumar, following the stampede near Chinnaswamy Stadium ahead of RCB's IPL victory celebration in this year. The bench of Justice S.G. Pandit and Justice T.M. Nadaf was hearing the state's appeal against the Central Administrative Tribunal's order, which quashed the suspension of Vikas, observing that there was no convincing evidence of negligence on his part. The High Court orally asked the state, was suspension really necessary, or would transferring the officers have been enough? The Advocate General Shashi Kumar Shetty defended the action and said that he would produce records to prove the suspension was justified. He also requested a stay on the CAT order, noting that the officer had already returned in uniform to take charge. Senior Advocate Dhyan Chinappa, appearing for Vikas, said that he was not pressing for a contempt petition against the state and would not take any aggressive action till the case is finally decided. The court acknowledged this and advised both sides not to precipitate any further action. The matter is now posted for further hearing on 9th July. The background here is the stampede that occurred during RCB's victory celebrations, in which a crowd of 3 to 5 lakh people gathered, leading the government to suspend 5 officers for alleged negligence and failure to control the crowd. Among those suspended officers were Commissioner of Bengaluru City, DCP Central Division, ACP Kaburn Park, and Police Inspector of Kaburn Park Police Station, along with Vikas Kumar. However, only Vikas approached the CAT, which ruled in his favor, saying that there was no real basis for holding him negligent. The tribunal observed that the event was organized by RCB and police were informed only 12 hours before, leaving them with very little time to prepare. It said that police are not gods or magicians with a magic lamp to instantly control such massive crowds. It ordered the government to reinstate Vikas immediately with full salary and benefits, treating his suspension period as time on duty.